You often hear about people seeking healthier food alternatives, throwing around different terminology like kale juicing, going gluten-free, eating raw food. Now, of course, the nutrients we put inside our body is very important, but so too is the material. So let's see how stainless steel compares with other kinds of cooking material. Well, lots of people like to cook with copper or aluminium because of the heat benefits. They're really good for conductivity. However, what can happen is this. The metal can react with your food, leaving you with not only a metallic taste, but also metallic properties in your food. Now, this can't be good for you and good for your physiology, can it? With stainless steel, you don't have any problems. No chipping, no flaking, no other residues in your food, only great nutritional content. What we have here is a 16-piece stainless steel cookware set by PureWare. It's got everything you need, every essential for the kitchen. We've got a saucepan here, 3 different sized casserole dishes, 24, 20 and 16 centimeters. We've got a utility bowl, a universal steamer, and of course a large frying pan with a grill base interior. Everything you need for the kitchen. Now, what's great about these pans is that you can stack them and cook multiple things at the same time, or as we're doing here, with a medium casserole and the steamer on top, you can defrost your meat, for example. So simply fill about 4 inches of water into the bottom, heat it up, get it boiling, add your frozen meat to the top. All the grease and fat will seep down to the bottom, and then when it's defrosted, simply get rid of the water, pop your meat into the already preheated pan, and Bob's your uncle, you can start browning immediately. You can also see that they have lovely wide rims which allow for easy pouring. Now, all of these pots have Bakelite handles which stay cool to the touch. And what I personally love about these lids is that you can use them as trivets. Putting your pots directly on them, they don't fall anywhere, it's wonderful. Not only are they easy to handle, but of course they insulate the base of the pan and keep your food warm. Now, each piece comes with its own lid and thermal knob, indicating just the right amount of heat. Set to medium heat, heat up, and then when it gets into the green, you can turn it to low. Nobody wants to cook with too high heat, it's bad for you, burns the food, ruins the flavor. And of course, keeping it low conserves energy, keeps the nutrients in your food, and adds to the flavor. Another major advantage specific to the PureWare stainless steel set is the encapsulated bottom. It's a 7-layer encapsulated bottom. Now, unlike other run-of-the-mill stainless steel sets, this one is coated with aluminium, which means that you get the benefits of heat conductivity of cooking with aluminium, but of course only stainless steel comes into contact with your food, so you have no reaction. Also, it provides a buffer from the actual heat source, which allows your food to be cooked with a lower temperature, and therefore again, it doesn't overcook your food. Now, these PureWare pots are really easy to use. They're easy to clean, easy to cook with, they're dishwasher friendly, oven safe, and of course you can use them on stovetops and induction hobs alike. Find out more about PureWare and cooking with stainless steel at www.pureware.com.